If you're like most people, you have some back and neck pain every so often, or maybe often, but there is hope. Dr. Michael Pritsker joins us this morning to talk about his new book, Breakthrough for Back Pain, the Ultimate Self-Help Guide to Eliminate Neck and Back Pain. Thanks for joining us.
Hey, thanks. It's great for being here.
All right, so tell us a little bit about the new book.
You know, the book covers two major topics. Breakthrough for back pain. First of all, it talks about the obvious things about how to prevent back pain, what to do when you have a minor injury such as a sprain or strain, and then it gets into some of the new advanced technologies where you can get rid of your back pain and fix it forever without having to go through surgery or without having to do some of those older techniques that you've heard of in the past. There are a lot of great new things that are emerging and developing which are getting rid of back pain for a lot of people.
Now, you say there's some things that people could do at home. Some easy things people could do at home to help relieve some of their neck and back pain.
Yeah, of course, things like posture, making sure you're sitting properly, making sure you're using a back pillow when you're sitting, making sure you're standing straight. But realistically, the most important thing when you take two people, one who has had a back injury, let's say lifted up a heavy box, and they get rid of their back problem in a day, and you take another person who lifted the exact same type of box and their back problem turns into disability, the main thing is making sure that your back is healthy and it's able to withstand those types of injuries. So exercise, strengthening, all those important things that we cover in the book.
Now, I noticed there's a section of the book called Perfect Posture.
Yeah.
He's touched on it a little bit. Tell us a little bit about that.
Well, perfect posture is making sure that, in essence, you have a perfect posture, standing straight. And what many people don't think about is that for 1/3 of the 24-hour day period, you're sleeping and you forget about your posture at night. And making sure that you're sleeping properly, you're not sleeping face down with your head twisted the entire night, making sure that your pillow is perfect for your head, making sure that the mattress is firm enough, and of course during the day making sure that you keep your back and posture straight. These are things that can prevent back problems from occurring.
And one of the habits that I have when I'm driving, I kind of tend to shift my leg, especially on long drives, and that's not good either, right?
Yeah, it's not good either. And realistically, there's some things that you can't avoid, especially with driving and sleeping. But the main thing is you want to make sure you keep your back strong. You make sure you keep it healthy. That way, if you do have a back injury, your body can adapt to that injury and it can recover quick enough. Where if your body's not healthy enough, it's not strong enough, what you're going to end up getting is a back problem that doesn't go away and eventually turns into disability. And that's why it's so important to keep it healthy.
Now, you say there's some new technologies available to help get rid of back and neck pain. What are they?
Well, new technologies for people who haven't heard of them or for doctors who don't use them, but there are a lot of technologies that are available, such as advanced spinal decompression therapy, which I've personally been using for the past 10 years, and also spine force therapy. Spinal decompression therapy is designed for individuals who have a sciatic back condition, a disc herniation, a disc injury, spinal stenosis. This is a technology which can get rid of those without having to go through surgery. And then there's also advanced spine force technology, which is very new, and that's designed for individuals who have weak back muscles, who have osteoporosis. So there's a lot of things that are out there now, and it's really up to you to research these things. And these are some of the things that we talk about in the book and in some of our videos that we offer.
And it's technology that a lot of people don't know about. They may go to, say, an orthopedic surgeon. Yeah. The orthopedic surgeon may say, well, the only option is surgery. But that's not necessarily true.
Yeah, well, when all you have is a hammer, everything looks like a nail. And if you go to an orthopedic surgeon for surgery, they're going to tell you if you can get surgery, if you can't get surgery. And that's why it's really up to you to do your own research and look into these advanced technologies which are available and can really help you with getting rid of your back condition so you don't have to get surgery, so you don't have to be disabled.
Okay, so